and welcome back to Boo's Clues. We are on one of our last consonant letters. The consonant letter is the letter X. X. X is really funny. Not like ha 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 ha, funny. X is a hard letter. There aren't a lot of words that have or begin with the letter X, but there are words that have the X in them at the end of the word. So some of the cards we're going to be doing today have the X at the end. So I want you to really listen and see if you can help me identify, is the X at the beginning of the word or the X at the end of the word? But first, Miss Linda, one thing I'm missing. What? What is the sound? You're right. Oh. The sound of X is this. X. Listen. X. The action is like taking a picture. Have you ever taken a picture with mommy or daddy's phone or camera or anything? Or even pretending, and you go like this. X, x, x. It's like taking a picture. X, x. The sound I'm listening for today is x, x. Ready? Here we go. I want you to help tell me whether the word, I'm mixing all my cards up, is at the beginning or the end of the words. These objects are going to be all mixed up now. Miss Leona's mixing them up. Okay, ready? Oh, Miss Leona's going to mix them up. Here we go. Words like, I know this one's a funny one. Xylophone. Xylophone. I know, you have to really listen. Xylophone. Or words like, oh, here we go. Fix. Fix. He's fixing the car. Sometimes my car breaks down and I take it to a mechanic and he fixes it. Oh, this one's sticky. Oh, Miss Linda. Words like wax. Wax. Ooh, I hear you. Really? Here we go. Words like X-ray. Have you ever gone to the hospital or know a friend or have ever seen an X-ray? X-ray. Here. Sometimes when I go camping with my mom or my dad and they let me hold this and I chop wood with it, it is called an axe. Axe. Mm-hmm. This is the number. This is a favorite number. Is the number what? Is it the number 9?
It is now.
Flip it over. It's the number 6. 6. I saw one of these one time. It was running outside. He was a fox. Fox. Ooh, you guys are really good. And sometimes when I put all my toys away, and my mom is like, Miss, they're like, Leona, go and put your toys in the box. Box. Miss Linda, can you have a quick look at all my X things? Box. And tell me, do these things, these objects have the X at the beginning or at the end of the word? X. 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 The action is X. X is one of my favorite favorite letters. I know, I say all of these letters are my favorite. X is one of my favorite consonant letters. It is. X, big X, uppercase X, lowercase x, is written the same, but you're going to have to do one bigger and one smaller. Can you help me? We're going to go across, but that's just me saying it. Across, lift up my pencil, and across. Oh, just like X marks the spot if I was a treasure hunter. And little x. Across and across. X. X. Across. Oh. And across. Little x at the top. Across. And across. Oh, they're not supposed to be joined. So we'll put that there. That's funny. Okay, thank you for joining me. We are doing the letter X today from group number 6. X is a consonant. It's almost our very last one of the alphabet. We've done almost all of them, Miss Linda. Right? We don't have very many left. The sound I'm listening for is X. The action is X, like taking a camera picture. X, from group number 6. Thank you for joining me here today on Booze Clues. Bye.